Today we are gonna make this BMW sound like a fighter jet. Dude, that one was way better than the last one. That was wild. Right?
Hi. Yep, we are. So, we got our turbo back. We've been waiting on it for a little while. We sent it off to OCD Works where they do the T51R mod. So what they do is they machine out the center. So we have a turbo here to kind of represent stock versus aftermarket. So they machine out right here and they put in their own piece here and they put 3 roll pins in it to hold it in. So you have, I really don't know how to explain what does what, because I truthfully don't know.
But it sounds like fighter jet.
It sounds cool. So they have a billet piece they put in here. They machined out this outside. It's got like some waves in it, you know, I can fill on. And they polished it. So we made it nice and pretty. And supposedly it's supposed to sound really cool. So Trevor will put in some like old stuff from here, somewhere in there, and we'll show you the after.
So Matt had this set up on his big single 335i, and it sounded crazy, super crazy. So
super nuts, and y'all probably don't remember it because most of y'all haven't seen it because it's over there in a million pieces.
Corner of death.
Mine currently lives on currently. So I'm gonna put a little lube on this, and then we're gonna send her in there. A little lube don't hurt nothing. Now we stab. Try this tab. Not scratch anything. It's so much easier going out. Kind of like a hot dog down the hallway.
Dude, looks so much better.
So roughly, there she is. She shouldn't fall off.
It's official.
It's official. It's on. And just like that, we're done. Boom. Now we'd start it.
Just like that? Actually, we're ready?
Yeah, like 5 minutes and so, and boom, we're done.
Solid. That was easy.
Yep, took my hat off, but other than that, still in the same clothes, you know. You've noticed in some of our videos, I have changed several outfits through the one video. Like a 5-minute ordeal. No.
Nope.
Nope, this is actually 5 minutes. Wasn't 5 days.
Not the edited 5 minutes.
Yeah. Scary.
Yeah. Kind of nerve-wracking.
A little bit.
Gage has also waited,
A month.
God, I feel like it's been like 3 months, but I guess it's been a month.
It's been roughly a month since we sent it off, which is what they said it will take. Read the fine print. We were like, yeah, a week and a half, we're gonna have this turbo back. No, it's a month. Read the fine print.
Yeah.
Other than that, you know, it's here.
We're ready. Big moment.
Ready?
I think so. You can hear it. The more that the cold start's gone down, the more you can hear it.
No stepping.
I bet if you two-stepped it,
we can try it, see if it'll.
oh my. Dude, that's crazy.
That sounds wild.
All right, we gotta take this thing for a rip. Dude, that's so much louder.
Didn't do that before.
No.
Not at all.
Okay, I just rewatched that last clip and I'm not quite sure the audio picks it up exactly how it sounds, but I guess we'll see. So much louder. Sounds good. Of course, Gage is out of gas, so we're going to the gas station. No way.
That sucker is insane.
Jesus. That was like 2,500.
It's 3K. It's 3K. That's all it is. It's 3K.
That's crazy. That's wild. Way louder than I expected.
Oh yeah, most definitely. Outside the car has to be like,
Oh yeah,
way louder.
we're gonna have to do like a flyby or two somewhere.
100%.
You?
God dang.
Always happens.
Freaking Hyundai.
Our guy here only got a gallon. I feel him.
Tough times. I'm gonna get 2 gallons.
Okay, we're testing out the anti-lag now.
Yep.
And I see a bridge.
I'll let him go.
Oh man. It's so freaking loud.
It's insane.
Anti-lag is something else.
So there you get a 2K. Casually driving.
Oh, 2 in a row. Okay, this is like a Uber ride gone wrong. Gage is kicking me out.
Yep.
Okay. Don't leave me out here too long. It's like, I guess I'll go. I'll go be hidden. I swear, that thing is so loud. I really hope camera does it. I know I've said that like twice already, but I hope so. Kind of sketch out here. Okay, here he comes. Dude, that one was way better than the last one. That was wild. That sounds wild. Like, oh my.
Stupid.
So crazy. Fighter jet mod. Sounds amazing. Worth it.
10 out of 10. Recommend.
So, if you want to see more of this car, you want to see more build stuff, more 335i content, make sure you subscribe.
Next video of this car, it should be completely turned up. So if you want to see that, please like, comment, subscribe, because it's going to be wild.